So just as on the 918 Spider, you can do full 100% electric. Engines, and the petrol will kick in when the car feels needed. See, now it's also autonomous steering, autopilot. I don't have my hands on the steering wheel. Here is maybe some uphill, and then you could see it's charging. Here, 2 LEDs LED, 2 LEDs charging, indicating it's charging. And after a minute or so, it wants just that I should have my hands on the steering wheel. And now you can see here, it's using fully battery, or is helping with battery power. And while it's charging, you can see the power is going the other direction with the battery back here. Here's the front, here's the rear. Just going on petrol, but charging. Gorgeous interior in this with light Alcantara. Gorgeous Turbo S logos in champagne. Only thing I kind of miss in the interior is that the seat belts should be champagne. Somebody missed specking these. Those, they should be sand beige. I believe this is sand beige as well. See contrasting stitching here as well. Gorgeous details here. These are color matched as well. Gorgeous car, the Panamera Turbo. And then if you push this button, you have 100% power.